Hi everyone, today I'm focusing on how to use basic Git commands. Let's begin. First, make sure that Git is installed in your system. If you don't have Git installed, please go to the Git for Windows if you are a Windows using operating systems and download it. Once it is downloaded, make sure that you have Git. So here I'm going to a folder where I want Git repository to be cloned. So what is cloning of the repository? Means actually having the copy of the source code in your respective source control location. Your source control location is our local local system, like a local repository, local system. Now go to this location and open the command prompt at this location. Now to test whether you have Git or not, just to get at the Git, you can see all these commands, list of the commands. If you get in this way, then you can really say that you really have the Git installed. Now to clone the repository, go to the source code and just copy this location and do git clone and at that location. Yeah, now go to the location. See here, you can see hello world folder got cloned. Once you open it, here you can see you have a readme file. Now change your directory to the hello world repository. Now do git status. Okay, what is git status? This command will help in keeping of the track of all the files. Here it is saying that your branch is up to date with the origin master, as we don't added anything extra or we didn't modify anything. It's just up to date. Nothing is to commit. Okay. Now I'm going to add a sample Java file. This is my sample Java file. Here, this is sample.java file. Here you can see basic system.out.print hello world statement. So I'm just going to add this file into this repository. You can add many number of files whatever you want into this local repository. So I'm adding the sample file to this local repository. Okay, now I'm doing git status. Okay, as I said before, it will give the status of the all files. Here it is showing that sample.java is not tracked. See here you can see an untracked file sample.java. So to get track of this, just do git add with the file name. Now you can do git status. Okay, now you can see it got added into the list of files which need to be committed. Okay, now just do git commit. Okay, first of all, what does git commit do? It records the changes to the repository. I'm just there are multiple options. One of this is mine is M, which helps in writing the message. I'm just adding the adds Java file message. Okay, after you have done the commit, just do the git push. Okay, what does git push does? Which transfers the commits from your local system to the remote location. So here what exactly here in this situation it does is it adds the sample.java file to the repository. Just git push. Okay, now it's done. Now I can go to Google and you can check it here. Just refresh it. Here you can see the sample.java file. Yeah, it got added. Okay, these are the few basic commands. Let me know if you have any doubts and please post it in comment section below.